So our mommy here is working in the farm.
This is,
Unwanted, this is the weeds now you are removing.
yeah.
Yes, mommy. It has deep roots, eh? Yeah, so our mommy is working here. Looks like you have ever done it. It looks like you have ever done it. You have some skill. You have ever. I mean, it looks like you have ever done it in the past.
I have done it in the past.
Yes.
Yes, I used to do a lot of gardening in my backyard when my kids were young.
Okay.
Yes. So I have an idea.
Okay, you have an idea. You accumulate soil around the crops.
Oh, is that what you guys do?
Some, yes.
I know what you do. This one here has got some life.
And for my Issa is watering on the other side. Mommy?
I know, I have. So, I should have
So my mommy, you're working with a bag.
I'm working with the bag.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, what's going on over there?
No, we were consulting. We were consulting.
I'm consulting.
We were consulting.
I want to know, what is that?
Which one?
Is that a weed?
This one? Looks like a weed. It's a weed.
Yeah.
It's a weed. It's unwanted in the farm. Okay. You have really worked, mommy. Okay. Exactly. Mama Issa, rate the work of our mommy. Rate the work of our mommy. Out of 10, how many points can you give our mommy? Out of 10? Yes. 9 out of 10. That's an A. That's an A.
I'm so proud of myself. I got 9.
The farmer himself gave you 9.
Out of 10, guys.
She can do it.
I just don't have the strength like I did when I was,
Young, somehow.
you know,
Younger.
but I can do it in moderation. And it never hurts, of course.
Yes.
I'm going to be regaining my health.
So, mommy, is
Losing
there
all this weight. Right.
In Florida, do you use tools like this in the farming? This is called
You
djembe.
can get the hoes there,
Mm.
but we don't at home.
Mm.
You just use a shovel
Oh,
or a hand shovel because things that we plant are just, it's not on a large scale like this.
it's just a backyard garden.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Some smaller tools.
These are weeds.
Yeah, those are weeds, all of them. No, I don't know. I'm not sure about this.
You know anything? Okay.
Anything apart from this.
Anything apart from
This.
this.
Yes.
are weeds.
It's a weed.
Because it has grown where it is not supposed to be. Even if it could be vegetables. Gotcha. We have to because it is not at the right place. Right. Yeah.
So you see there is some water in the soil, mommy. It's not very dry.
Right.
Yeah.
There's some moisture.
The moisture. Beautiful, wonderful, mommy. Keep going. Keep going, mommy. There is one weed here you forgot. This one.
There's one hiding in there.
Yes, it's hiding. You have to remove that one. This one. And this one.
Oh, there's quite a bit of them in there.
They are hiding under the leaves.
Sorry.
So this is the weather, guys, here in Africa, Kenya, Africa, East Africa. So how is the weather here so far, Mama? Like, it's beautiful,
I
right?
mean, I haven't experienced any major
Yeah.
any El Nino.
Yes.
Thank God. And it's been, even though the sun is out, it hasn't been overbearing.
Yeah.
And I find that for what, 2, it's bright,
It's very sunny.
sunny. And after that, it just
You get the clouds like this. You can see the clouds, Mom. It's very favorable, right? It's balanced. And here we don't have winter and summer. We don't have. Yeah, we don't have. Extremes. Those are extreme seasons. You know, we are near the equator. That's why.
Yes.
Yeah, the equator is not far from here. Yes.
I mean, I've experienced that.
It's on Nakuru.
When it's so hot.
Very hot.
You don't
Actually,
realize-
Nakuru
you
is
don't
very hot.
realize the damage it's doing to your skin until afterwards.
Until later. Like when you are not used to it, it can bring you some issues.
Yeah.
Actually, Nakuru is so hot, so hot sometimes. Okay, many times. You like to be neat. But the northern part of Kenya, Mami, is semi-arid. We also have semi-arid climate in Kenya, in the northern part.
Okay.
Yeah, northern Kenya is quite dry. It can go as long as 3 years without rain.
Northern, this is what, west?
This is western Kenya,
Okay.
but northern parts, like
the
Turkana.
Turkana.
There's a place called Turkana. It's so hot. As you go to Ethiopia,
Ah.
yeah, and Sudan,
Mhm.
yeah. So you find that it's very hot, very hot. Yeah, it reaches a point where there's famine and droughts, long droughts,
Right.
very serious ones.
Wow.
But here, thank God, God placed us in a very good climate.
Yes.
Yes, we don't complain so much. We just need to
Yes.
work hard.
In some parts, I'm not that eager to be in because of the dust.
Oh, dust, there's some dust, yeah. Storms.
Some parts,
Mm,
the dust is crazy.
it's crazy, yeah.
I was in Bomet. I was in Bomet, but no. It was in Nairobi
Mhm,
in February,
mhm,
and I was helping out one of the churches,
mhm,
and where they are, it's a ball field,
mhm.
and the wind picked up, and then
Not Bomet.
it's
No, Bomet doesn't have that
Bomet
weather.
is dusty too, but that particular time of the year in Nairobi,
Mhm,
when the wind blew,
mhm.
the dust was just spinning like this.
Is it in
I
Kajiado?
literally couldn't see the people in front of me.
Are you talking of Kajiado? Out of Nairobi? The city
Yeah.
itself?
Yeah, Nairobi.
Oh my
But
goodness.
they were on a ball field, so
Yeah.
it's clear.
Oh, it's clear.
And when the wind came,
Whirlwind.
the dust was just.
That's
I
a
couldn't see
whirlwind.
the people in front of me.
That's whirlwind.
I had to run to the car, hop in there, and close the door and windows. The dust was dreadful.
Mhm.
I think that was when they had the drought.
That is when it has not rained for some time.
Yeah.
Okay, in Africa, in some parts of Africa, they used to believe that when that wind is going like this, yeah, and then you take something, you capture it and you cover it like this, then you get a snake there.
Those are beliefs.
I
What
mean,
are
I-
myths? Yeah. But I don't think there's somebody who has ever tried
This is drainage. Drainage.